What's up? I'm Vaughn. I'm the founder and CEO of the software development firm Tier 5. And in this free training program, I'm going to be teaching you how to turn your Facebook account into a virtual ATM. The strategies and processes that I teach you in this free program have allowed me to essentially grow my company from just 2 people to now over 70 full-time employees in just the last 5 years. And whenever I'm talking about making a substantial revenue, I'm talking about I've been able to generate over $3.4 million in the last few years doing the exact same process that I'm going to be teaching you in this free training program. Alright, and like I said, what it's going to do is it's going to teach you and show you the strategies and processes where you can turn your Facebook account into a virtual ATM and get random strangers on Facebook to buy your products and services every single day. Now, I want you to understand that this $3.4 million that I've generated is not from selling this course, because I'm giving this course away to you for free. I don't sell this information, I give it for free. What I use this strategy for is to sell my software products. And I've seen people go through this training program and use it to sell virtually all types of digital products, physical products, and services online. I'm talking about selling cookies online, selling custom pins online, selling t-shirts online, selling marketing services, growing their affiliate marketing business, growing their coaching business. Virtually everything, I've seen people use these strategies and processes to grow their business online and make a substantial amount of revenue by converting their personal Facebook accounts into virtual ATMs. And I'm teaching you this information for free. Okay, it's 100% free. All you have to do is click the link and then put in your email address and your name and click this button, and I will be emailing you full access to the entire course for free.